Everybody wants to be successful, but there is so many definitions. So how do I take a lecture on being successful? How do I tell you a way to be successful? And success is so many different things. That was my first challenge when I defined this. And how do you do it, right? I liked everybody's responses because they were all from the heart. Some people said success is achieving goals, dreams, that's one category. The other category was success is being happy with yourself, being yourself, more coming to do with within you, being comfortable with your being. The last lady there was in the category of when people say you're successful. Either people say it or you have certain things which are symbols of success, like money, a nice car, house, whatever. And that's also something I can guarantee you a lot of youngsters want in their life. And that's okay. Similarly, they're different. Somebody said freedom. Success is freedom to do what you want to do. Success is doing what you love. It's all of this, right? And there are different levels of success. But broadly speaking, success has something to do with achievement, right? You have to achieve something to be successful. Secondly, you have to achieve something big, right? You have to achieve something which is sort of difficult. Ideally, it has to be something which is sort of beyond you. How many people, everybody understands a little bit of Hindi here? Yeah? You have heard Aukat? Aukat se bahar achieve karna. What's the equivalent word in Tamil for Aukat? Beyond what your capabilities were. Beyond what people told you that you could go and you will achieve so much in life, whether they said it or subconsciously believed it. When you go past that, that can be success. Let me give you an example. If you have to measure success, let's take the son of a Bollywood star. Okay, he gets launched in movies, he does really well, he performs well, he does a good job, and he has hits, he makes money, everything. Let's take someone like a Ranbir Kapoor, right? He's a star son, he got big breaks, and he's done a good job. His latest movie, Barfi, is getting a lot of praise, and it's a hit also, and he's had a lot of movies that are successful. Will you call him successful? Yes, of course, Ranbir Kapoor is successful. If he's not, then who is? Right? Now take example of another girl. Let's take a girl from a village in Tamil Nadu. Let's say she was not allowed to study, or with great difficulty, she pushed and finished her studies, did media studies somewhere, got a job as a TV reporter in a local, Tamil news channel. And she's a reporter now, and she was from a small village. Is she successful? Who's more successful, the girl or Ranbir Kapoor? The girl. Now again it's a big puzzle, because Ranbir Kapoor is making a lot more money than her. Ranbir Kapoor is 100 times more famous than her. But most people here felt that the girl is probably more successful, because she beat more odds. She did something beyond her Aukat. She did something which people never thought she could do. She did something very big for people with her background. And that is the kind of success that I'm going to try and tell you about. How to achieve something big. How to achieve something big. How big? I can't tell you how big. I can't tell you how to be superstar. Because you yourself said, in your eyes, the girl is a bigger superstar. Everybody's situation here is different. Everybody's circumstances here is different. For some of you, success may not be career related. For some of you, you may have been trying. I'll give you my own example. Trying to, for example, lose weight for the longest time, and it doesn't happen. How many of you want to lose weight? We said we are honest here. Okay? And no girl picks up her hand. Yeah, right. I really believe that. Huh? Have you ever met a girl who doesn't want to lose it? I mean, Parvati is gone now, so you can raise your hand. It's okay. I'm sure she's here. Where is she? No, Parvati. I said Parvati is gone. Yeah. You are also like Miss World, I know. But no, she had to go. I'm just saying, I'm sure in front of her, nobody wants to admit. But okay, you want to lose weight. You don't want to. Yeah, but you shouldn't. Because you will disappear. You will disappear. But a lot of people, for example, want to lose weight. And for them, that's a much more difficult thing to do than maybe get a promotion in office or maybe make more money out of their business. They can do all that, but they can't lose weight. They just can't do it. Now, if such a man or woman can do that, will they consider themselves successful? Yes. It's the same category. When you achieve something you thought you can't do, when you achieve something you or your friends or your parents or your relatives explicitly or implicitly, whether directly or indirectly, gave you the idea, ये तुमसे नहीं होगा. It's not going to happen, yeah. You can't do this. And then you do it. And how do you do it? That is success. Why am I going to talk about this? Anybody who's really into books here, like super. I'm not the best writer. Any hardcore books person will say, right? I'm not. There are much better writers than me. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, you don't have to say it so loudly also. I get it. Okay. Okay, fine. But you still came to attend my lecture. Thank you. I'm not. But would you consider me successful in books? So if I can do, I think I'm qualified to talk about it. When not being the best, I'm not the best writer, but I'm the best selling writer.